Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat, and we have to discuss how to drive the formula limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Here we have to use a one formula here. We know that x power n minus a power n can be written in this form. This is x power x minus a, then x power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 plus a square x power n minus 3 and so on, and plus a power n minus 1. This is the result we have to use here, x power n minus 1 and a power n minus 1. Now we have to divide x minus a on both sides, divided by x minus a on both sides, that is x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a, and this is x minus a x power n minus 1 a power n minus 2 a square n minus 3 plus a power n minus 1 whole divided by x minus a. Now this factor, that is x minus a and x minus a, will cancel out to each other, and taking limit x tends to a on both sides. So this is limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n whole divided by x minus a, and the limit x tends to a, this factor is cancelled out here, so we have the only this factor n minus 2 a square n minus 3 and so on, and a power n minus 1. So here we have to apply the limit. So when we have to apply the limit, so this is x power x is equal x tends to a, so we have to put the value of x anywhere, that is x power a. So here this is a power n minus 1 because x is equals to a, and when we have to put here, this is a into a power n minus 2, this is a square x a n minus 3 and so on plus a power n minus 1. So here we have to put x is equals to a, so this is here a power n minus 1, and here the bases are same, so this is n minus 1 and this is 1, so n minus 1, and this is now this is a power 2 and a power n minus 1, so the power will be added to minus 3 plus 2, that is 1, this is n minus 1 and so on, this is plus n minus 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, if we have to take out a power n is common, so this is, it will be n times a power n minus 1, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be the n. So this is in n times a power n minus 1, and this is the final result of x power n a power n divided by x minus a, and this is the derivation of this formula here. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Fat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.